Hey everyone, welcome to my Halloween Plan with Me session. Today, we're diving into both my personal and business planner featuring the Canva whiteboard. I'll be walking you through each section, showing you how I plan and organize for a spooktacular Halloween season. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Canva whiteboard. It's an incredibly versatile tool for all your Halloween planning needs. The whiteboard includes a clock, countdown, calendar, to-do list, and links to both personal and business planner. Plus, it's fully customizable to match your style and specific needs. Now, we are going to start planning in the personal planner. First up is the monthly planner. I'm setting up key dates and events for October. Next, I'm working on my to-do list. I'll add all of the tasks that I need to tackle before Halloween. Now onto the habit tracker, because I get so busy, this helps me stay on top of everything leading up to Halloween. Onto the projects section next, where I'm planning out several different Halloween-related projects. Now, moving on to the content creation section for all my Halloween-themed content. This section helps me ensure everything is planned and ready to go. Now, gift planning. I use this section to keep track of what's been purchased and wrapped so far. Next, it's time to plan out the perfect Halloween party. I easily organize my guest list, invitations, and party details. Now for some Halloween recipes. I've added a collection of spooky treats to try out. Let's not forget about candy. I'm tracking my candy inventory and making a shopping list for any additional candy I need to buy. Lastly, I'm planning out my Halloween costume. This section really helps me keep track of costume planning. Now, let's switch over to the business planner. First, I start by organizing my holiday expenses and ensuring everything is within budget. Next is the holiday gift planning section. I've got my gift ideas ready for clients and employees. It's time to track marketing expenses with the holiday marketing expenses log. Next up is my content and marketing calendar. Now, I'm working on my email campaigns. I decide on the subject lines and the special offers to engage my audience. Next, I'm detailing different promotions and marketing channels to maximize my business impact this Halloween. Then, I'm adding details for vendors, including contact information, their services, and pricing. After, I plan out any Halloween events and activities to ensure everything is perfectly organized for the season. I'm brainstorming ideas for exclusive discounts and gift giveaways. Next, I'm tracking gifts for employees and clients. I record gift details and the delivery statuses. Finally, I'm exploring office decoration ideas, themes, and DIY crafts to create a Halloween-themed workspace. And that's it. We finally finished planning out our spooky season. It was so quick and easy. That wraps up our Halloween planning session using the Halloween Personal and Business Planner made for Canva. If you enjoy this planner and want to get ahead of the spooky season planning, you can get your copy of the Halloween Personal and Business Planner made for Canva. The link is in the video description. Have a spooktacular Halloween. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.